Pandas, 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 pandas. Sorry about that, pandas. Sorry for the late start. We're back live at it again. The current setup's going to be a little different. Just a little bit different for now. We'll get there, don't worry. Goodness gracious. Jeez. Sorry about that, pandas. Sorry for the late start. Kringle, good morning. Stone Cold Steve, good morning. Kevin Harris, good morning. V1, good morning. Albert Emma, good morning. Bub Socks, welcome. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Sorry for the late start. We're absolutely just chopping right now. Just chopping it up. Gap on the 5-minute chart. May try to fill. May try to fill. We're just in the middle of this trading range, and we've been here all day yesterday. Boy, guys. Hey, pandas. I'm getting ready to travel soon, so I'm practicing my travel setup here, and it's a little outdated here. Big push up. We're gonna try to jump on this right here. Get to the top of the trading range like a vacuum. Hopefully we can get there. We'll see though. 5 minute, okay. This is just complete chopper near the top of it too. Might have made a mistake here. Big old mistakeys. I don't know if I should keep scaling in here to make it worth it. I'm a little too far up. I'd rather get stopped out here and re-enter closer to the bottom. I'd rather get stopped out here and re-enter closer to the bottom if possible. Or I could try to scale in. Nah, I'd rather get stopped out. Alright, let's get stopped out. I'd rather re-enter and closer to the bottom here. I kind of bought near the top of the trading range, which is a dumb move. I guess a trading range you can say it's like this now. Takes me out, comes back up. Who knows? This is chopping around. We're gonna have to wait a little bit. May try to fill the gap beneath. It's not an earphone microphone. Does it sound like an earphone microphone? Does it sound like an earphone microphone? That's not good. If that is the case, it should be. One sec. Yeah. If it sounds like an earphone microphone, then I gotta tweak these settings a little bit. Can't push it back up. It's just really doing nothing right now. I don't mind getting hit here just because I feel like it can go lower. If it goes lower, then you want to enter lower. So you're just waiting for the entry. Like basically you want to wait to like buy down here. Something like this. I think you see you're also making lower lows though. Failed to really reach the top of I thought was a trading range. We failed to reach the top like pretty clearly here. Which means that we could potentially break down. But the nice thing is if I buy here, I think I can scale in. I think I can scale in like at least once. And I think we'll still be safe here. Feels like actually long here, setting up. At the bottom of trading range. Over trading range here. Yeah, sit on my pause a little bit. Looks a little bearish now, right? Because we're making lower highs and lower lows. Makes seems a little bearish here. It's sinking. I gotta sell. I just gotta sell anywhere, huh? I gotta sell anywhere. Ah, did I sell at the bottom of trading range? I hope not. At a certain point in time, I gotta just concede here. At a certain point in time, I concede here. I might have just sold at the bottom of trading range. I just thought we kind of chance to break down because of the fact we're making lower highs, lower lows. Could have came up break even there. Could have came up break even there. I think I'm out here. I think I'm out here because at this point, if it reverses here, it's just too confusing. It's fine. Fine for me. It's not that big of a hit, but I'm stopping myself from potentially getting destroyed because it's gonna come all the way back up to the top of the trading range. I'm trying to prevent ruin here. That's the main goal. Yeah, prevent ruin is the main goal here. It's getting so super choppy. Super strong push down, clear vacuum area here. Thought maybe we had a chance to do something nice. Clearly not. More shenanigans. This is very confusing. I should just buy here, huh? I thought we were gonna get to the bottom. I thought we were gonna close the gap on the 5 minute chart. Again, keep thinking we're gonna close the gaps, but we failed to do so many times. Second entry long setting up here now. Hmm. Alright. I don't know. Sitting my boss. Bananas. Okay, breaking the low here. I'm a little confused. Like 5,000 overlapping bars in a row. Big bear bar hanging near is low. No follow through. Very confused. You sound like you just finished your dental treatment. Oh, interesting. That's not good. What's going on with my mic? I gotta watch the stream afterwards and figure out how I sound like, because everything you guys are saying sounds terrible. Like it sounds terrible for you guys. All right, what we got here? Big bear bar. Try again one more time. Try again one more time here. It looks so confusing. Yeah, I missed it. That was a move I was looking for, but happened after stop me out. Pullback was a little too deep for me. Like I was trying to prevent myself from ruin because I thought this could just fly back up. If anything, I might buy it somewhere down here, to be honest. Anything I might just buy down here. Price action is just ridiculous right now. Still doesn't fill the gap. Like floating in outer space right now. Still doesn't fill the gap. Amazing. So sick. Gap filled, finally, on the 5 minute chart. Or on the regular trading hours. Maybe testing the previous day's close on the Globex here. Maybe creating some sort of big reversal pattern here. Maybe. Who knows? Nobody knows. That's the thing. Nobody knows. The price action currently looks like trading range price action. So the probability of it to drop is less because it looks more like a trading range, so it can pop back up. Scalp on that strong bull bar. Just fill the gap here. I may just jump in, thinking trading range still. expand this trading range to like essentially where it bounced here. Creating a second entry long on the 5 minute chart as well. Hmm. What to do, what to do. Think about trading ranges. What setup do you have for traveling? You sound like you're trading at the dental clinic. Is it just super echoey, huh? Sorry about that. Big bull bars. Goodness gracious. Big bull bars here. I may jump in long, but I don't know. I don't know. I like a pullback. First entry. Is it strong enough for me? Could be a silly trade. Most likely a silly trade. The area is good. This is where you want to do it. And the premise is good. Bottom of trading range back to the top of the trading range. Outside bar reversal. A little too sus for me. I don't like the outside bar. In this case, it might be a good sign. Yeah, popped up. At least make a scalp here. Second entry long triggers on the 5 minute chart. Fails second entry short. I'm a buyer here. And it fails second entry short. I think I'm a buyer here. Feels like entry short. This is the main problem here, though. I'm seeing this trend line now. Into our channel or our basically bounce at this trend line pretty perfectly. We're gonna take this trap here. We're gonna see if we can make some magic happen. Because we're at the bottom of the trading range, coming back to the top, I'm interested in going long here. Until we reach an area where all the bears can come in together and all the bulls can come out. I don't know. All right. At a certain point in time, you realize you're just wrong, and you gotta trade the opposite of what you're thinking. People buying here, very confusing. Very confusing, Pandas. What setup do I have? I have a Asus ZenBook. That's what I've decided to buy. It already has like these little monitors on the bottom. It has like two monitors, and um, the main monitor is like a big monitor. The second monitor is like a small panel, and it's good enough to like throw a lot of like the YouTube stuff, streaming stuff on there. So it's an okay setup. It's not the best setup, but why is it? All right, I get it. The quality is terrible. I'm sorry. I gotta work on this echo. Everyone's asking if I'm like at the dentist's office, if I'm in the bathroom. I mean, isn't it nice? You know what? I gotta buy here. I'm a buyer here. I'm a buyer. I'm a buyer here. Yeah. Double bottom. Such a perfect double bottom here. I gotta try. This is a perfect double bottom here. I'm a buyer. I'm gonna try. Let's scale in as well. Higher low here. Double bottom was just so perfect. I had to try. My gosh. Get destroyed here now. Double top now, lower. Woo! What's the? Oh my, mamma mia! What is going on? What is going on? Am I a seller now? What am I doing? Am I a buyer now after all the stop losses? What's going on? What is the premise here? What is going on? I saw the double bottom. I thought we were gonna fly. Instead, we got like this lower highs, lower lows. I, you know what? Lower highs, lower lows. Now we're coming. Now we finally tested this area. We tried to test it multiple times. Okay, good signal bar to go short. Good follow through bar. Can make a new low here. Okay, or not. Or not. No idea. This is wacky. I thought we are double bottoming back to the top of the trading range. Apparently not. Oh, eye pattern here. Pushes up. Can't make a new low. Guess I'll try here. I'm not sure. Second just short. Could just be like bouncing off the previous day's low now. Previous day's close. Mm, it's not the prettiest trade. It's a potential trade, but I don't love it. My goodness. My goodness. Can you please get off my screen? You gotta love the trade copier. Alright, let's see. How many trades am I? It's like, I don't like how trade. We're good. Let's see what we can do here. Lower highs, lower lows. Still trading range price action. Here we go. Pops back up, and it's gonna destroy me now. Pops back up, gonna destroy me. We shall see. Like it spikes down like this, usually a bad sign if you're short. Because if it like reverses, pushes down again. This is nasty, pandas. What's going on here? I get my first target. Can I get my one-to-one, please? Having a tough time getting to that one-to-one. Usually bad sign. Can't get to that one-to-one. Usually bad sign here. Let's hold. Hold? Oh, it's not good. It's really not good. I mean, I want a one-to-one at least there. Problem is, now we have to come out break even for this one. We keep making lower highs, lower lows. We're underneath the 20 MA. It's a good hold, I think, for now. Let's see. We don't have much reason to sell yet, to get out yet, to close this. Okay. If it fails here, this is a bad sign for me. If it fails here, that's a real bad sign for me. It's supposed to push down, but if it's supposed to push down but it's not pushing down, usually a really bad sign. Yeah, this is gonna blast off now, huh? It's gonna reverse hard. Yeah, this is tough. This is really tough for me. I think we're done. I think we're dead. I think we're dead, especially if this fails against your shorts here. We're dead here. This fails against your shorts here. We're dead. Yeah, we're dead. Yikes. Ah, darn. I tried. Feels like I just short. It's gonna blast off, man. Why am I still in a trade? Why am I still in a trade? What's going on? Why am I still in a trade? Why didn't that get me out? I don't know. Ah, pandas. This is tough. Fails like I just short. It didn't push down when I wanted to. I should have gone long here actually. Tough day. Tough day. It's very choppy actually. And I'm trying to trade the chop. Like I'm trying to trade it at trading range, but I'm having a tough time capturing it. Now it's like blasting off. But annoying because I don't know, I was in another I don't know, I was in an extra contract. Yikes. I really want these accounts to do well, but man, this is tough. This is really tough. I really want to do well on these accounts, but this is really tough. It's not pretty. This price action is not pretty, I'll tell you that. Price action is not pretty. Not in the slightest. Okay. Fail second entry short kind of comes back here. Ah, the pullback was so deep, Candace. I don't know. Right? Basically takes you out here. Creating a trading range here now. Ooh, what the heck is going on, Candace? I wanted the 1-to-1 on my trade. That's why I held it. And he got so close so many times and just reversed on me. It's just pure trading range price action currently. Very tough. Nothing easy here, in my opinion. Bounce off this, come back up, getting chopped up by lots of big up, big downs. You know what that means, pandas. You gotta do the crazies. You gotta do the crazy trades. You gotta go short here, like on strong bull bars. You gotta go long, strong bear bars. You gotta do some wild stuff for this to work out for you now. Pandas. Just getting absolutely clobbered here. Like, just keep it simple, you know? I just keep it simple, stupid. Something like this. I had to make a trend line. This is how I would make it look like. Big pop up. Jeez. This is like stop loss hunting like crazy. Imagine you go long here, you get stop loss hunted here, then it blast off. It's just a lot of stop loss hunting. You know, you basically get stop hunted here, you get stop hunted here. So this is like stop hunting everyone at the moment. This is where you just like buy, keep scaling in. It's a scale in type day. You have to scale in a wide stop type situation. Scale in and stop, or scale in wide stop situation here. Keep it simple, stupid here. I mean, you gotta be crazy, right? But you gotta be a little crazy in crazy markets. You gotta be a little crazy in the crazy markets, you know what I mean? You gotta be a little bit crazy in the crazy markets. Try to scalp here if I can. If not, I'll scale in one time. Thinking you gotta be a little crazy in the crazy markets, right? Gotta be a little bit crazy in the crazy markets. Gotta be crazy in the crazy markets, pandas. In the crazy market, you gotta also be crazy. By counter trend trading, by just doing like stuff that the opposite of everything you typically do. Wide stop. The crazy market, I'm hoping this will be continue to be crazy and we can at least come up break even on this trade because of how crazy this market is. That's what I'm hoping. If not, you gotta have a last straw somewhere, you know? You gotta have a last straw somewhere. My last straw may be just a few points above this. That's my last straw. Because you probably get zoomed up here. If you don't stop here, then it's probably gonna break up and touch the top of the trading, yeah. Top of the trading range. So you gotta just get out when you see that happening. The crazy market, you gotta be crazy. And now it's doing like now it's actually trending like crazy. Lots of bull bars, small pullback, bull trend. Hard to you shouldn't have reversed that there. Darn. Should always just buy. Oh, so tough. It's changing up on me. I thought it would be a crazy market, so you gotta be a little bit crazy. I try to go short at this resistance. Didn't work. I'm gonna bust these accounts. I do not want to bust these accounts. I'll tell you that much. I do not want to bust these accounts. What? What? Gotta be crazy in the crazy markets. Jeez, but this just went super hyperbolic, parabolic chamber. What is going on? Higher low, going sideways now. Yikes. Tough. This is really tough. This whole thing chopped me up. I kept trying to trade a trading range while I could. I try to trade with the market. It's tough. This is really tough. Yeah, it just bounced off here. Click. Basically a head and shoulders, right? Inverted head and shoulders here. Blasted off. So sick. So sick. Higher lows being created here. That's going like spiking channel. Very tough here. Lots of bull bars. Very bullish still, in my opinion. Crazy market goes crazy. I don't know. So I keep trading this as a trading range. Now it's making me believe it's gonna break out, but this is what trading ranges do. Hmm. I think I might try to go long here. It's the first entry, huh? At least come back to 20 MA would be nice. Second entry long would be better. Second entry long would be nice here. I feel like I'm not gonna get it. I feel like it's gonna break this high before anything. I feel like it's gonna break this high, which will reset the count. My goodness. Okay. Second entry long. Interesting. Hmm. Can't blame me for trying this one. Can you blame me for trying this one? One time. One time, pandas. One time here. Here we go. I like if it touched the 20 MA. Okay. Good enough for me. I mean, do I? Exhausted move up here. It kind of breaks out. Exhausted move. Big entry long. Pretty stinky signal bar currently. Very stinky signal bar. We'll try. If it doesn't work out, it is what it is. We'll try. If it doesn't work out, it is what it is. If it works out, it'd be nice. Doesn't work out, it is what it is. Yeah, it looks like I'm getting stuff out here. Let's go try it. It's like super trading range day. I should never continue to trend. Oh, I should scalp here only. I can. We're holding. Yeah, of course, get stopped out there. Of course. Just a terrible signal bar. Fails like entry long. Trading range, getting near the top of it. Just near the top, not even at the top. I guess it depends on what your top is at this point. I don't know what the top is. I'm guessing the top is here because we just reversed there, so that has to be the top. Be punished, pandas. Like I said, you gotta be crazy. If I stayed crazy, I would have been fine on that trade. Actually comes out and takes me out break even here. I entered here. I would have came out break even, so. Oh boy. I haven't won one trade yet. I haven't won one trade yet. I'm like 0 and like 20, down 2,900. What in the world, pandas? What in the world? What is actually happening? Lower high now. Oh, what do I do? What do I do? This is so confusing. 5 minutes all over the place. Truly all over the place. Tell you what, it's darn hard to capture the exact trading range because there's so many trading ranges within the trading range. Trading range here, trading range up here. The whole thing's a trading range. Um, I should call it today. I should really call it. It's not the day. Today's not the day. I'm down like 3K. I haven't won one trade yet. Like I'm not reading this right. Second entry long, just coming off the 20 EMA after this huge push up, top of the trading range. I didn't have this trading range here before. I had it up here a little higher, so I thought we had more room to go up. That's why I wanted to go long, thinking it would vacuum up to the top of the trading range, but it did not do that. It just reversed just suddenly. Hmm. And like the 5 minute had a super strong bull bar. I thought we had some follow through. 2500 tick chart just perfectly found the trading range here. So sick. So sick. It's gonna push down now in a trading range like manner, in a choppy manner. How do you make money today? I don't know. How do you make money today? I don't know. Wide stop, that's the only way. If I had a wider stop here, I would have been fine on this trade. Like I said, like on crazy days, you gotta be crazy. And you're actually okay here if you just keep scaling in. And that's how wide of a stop you need. I mean, I started way too soon. That's kind of why I had to hold it for so long. But let's say I just sold it at this pivot or even this pivot, I would have plenty of room to continue to scale in. I kind of just sold it really early, like bottom third of the potential trading range, I guess. Crazy thing to do now is to buy somewhere down here. That's what you should be doing. And you can't even buy above strong bull bars. That's the thing. Hmm. 5 minute chart, we're like literally smack dab right in the middle of a big trading range. Covering the bottom, maybe back to the top. So I was thinking. I mean, CPI numbers coming out, what, tomorrow? Or PPI numbers. So Monday and Tuesday's usually very choppy when it's like that. No news Monday, Tuesday. Got big news coming up Wednesday. Usually very choppy then Monday, Tuesday. Second short. Do I like it? Not really, but kicks and giggles here. Actually, we don't actually create the second short. Massive overlapping bars here. The blue. Second to short here. The trap though. I'll try. I'm in one. I just want to know how it feels like to win again. You know what I mean, Pandas? Let me just get one like winner. Is that okay? Is that okay with you guys? Can I just get one winner? I guess not. Not today. No winners today. Coming off our trend line, 20 EMA, pushing down. That would be worth trying here. Small risk. Had even a retracement, so that was worth trying. Strong bear bar. Hmm. I don't think I can scale in. I'm in the middle of a trading range, so I can't like just scale in here. I don't know which way it's gonna go. In the middle of a trading range like this, it can really go anywhere. Whoa, can I win one? Give me 10 points, please. I'll ask for 10 points. Perfect. Like 10 points here? Just scalp? Can't give me 10 points, so it's just having a tough time even breaking the previous pivot low. I don't really want to stick around, find out what happens here. I think minimum I need is 10 points. Even if I don't win it, I'm glad I tried. I think minimum I want is 10 points here. Come up break even, most likely. Yeah, takes me out break even. Sick. Sick day here. Sick. Incredibly sick day. I want 10 points. You gotta get at least 10 points when you're talking about Nascraq for a scalp here. It's like the minimum you need for a scalp, 10 points. Oh. It just proves that today's gonna be wild. Hmm. Be careful today. I mean, I'm already down 3K, so I'm like, do I even have the right to say be careful? Because am I being careful? Who knows? Feels like a tree short, pops up a little bit. Darn crazy. Darn crazy. Really crazy double bottoms here. Now it's making a trading range. You gotta do the crazy thing, actually buy down here. It's so crazy to think that. We actually survived this trade. Uh, just buy? I don't know. Buy anywhere? Buy everywhere? Buy everywhere? Buy anywhere? I don't know. Going completely sideways on me. This is diabolical right now. If you look at the 5 minute chart, it really hasn't done anything. And it's very hard to know where the tops and bottoms are. Really hard to know where the tops and bottoms are. And it's spending a lot of time in the middle. That's why. Like, we're just spending a lot of time in the middle here. It's a lot of time in the middle of the trading range, which makes it very difficult. You can't buy or sell here. Just watching, doing nothing. Can't do anything here. You lose 3K on a day where you probably can't make it back up. Jeez, tough. Lots of shenanigans today. Amazingly, you make your 10 points, but you have to suffer through this retracement that almost takes you out perfectly. That's crazy. Like, It's not worth it for me for 10 points. Going through that. Heck. Okay, pushing down, but can you really just sell? You're at the bottom of trading range now. I gotta buy here. I'm a buyer down here, Pandas. That's how crazy this price actually. I'm a buyer. I have to buy somewhere here. Even though it's gonna like go down like crazy, I gotta buy somewhere. I'm a buyer here actually. I'm a buyer. I'm gonna scale in. I don't want the 5 minute to finish though. 5 minute candle. Amazingly, I'm a buyer here. Give me a higher low. Give me a double bottom. Give me something. Push it down. Only after I'm out of the trade. Is it gonna bot here? I don't know. Okay, put it down. Coming for trend line again. Again and again and again. Buyer here again, double bottom. All right, Pandas. Okay. You can just short here. So I can just short here. I mean, I have to try this, right? Second just short. I just jump a second short here in the trend line. 20 EMA. I tried before. Just trading range price action. I thought it was a bottom of trading range. Let me just taste what it's like to win a trade one last time, please. Let me just taste what it. Let me just know what it tastes like. Bottom of trading range. Feels like I just short. It doesn't look like I'm gonna get my trap. If I don't get a trap, it's all good. If I don't get the trap, then it's like you don't get the trap. It is what it is. I don't know, Pandas. We flushing here? Time to crash? Or do I just bot? It looks aggressively bearish. Oh my gosh. Looks like aggressively bearish right now. I don't know. What does sweet victory taste like? I forget. Not like that though. Not this way. It's like getting so consolidated here. If it wasn't such a trading range, I would like 100% just be going short here. But because it's clearly trading, like clearly trading range, man. It's not even a question. Clear trading range. Like I want to go long near the bottom. Like it's so clearly trading range day. Like I gotta go long near here somewhere. Like it's just too clear of a trading range day. Like definitely if you come down here, I'm gonna go long. Like it's just too clear of a trading range day. Too insanely clear. Second entry short come over trend line 20 minute works out, but bottom of a clear trading range day. I'm going long here. I don't care. Like it's such a clear trading range day. I gotta try. It's so clearly trading range day. I gotta try. I don't even care. Buy low, sell high, scalp. That's the idea. Like it's so clearly trading range. I just gotta try. I'm gonna scale in big time here if I can, if I have to. Buy low, sell high, scalp. That's the motto here. And scale in. Because you can't time the reversals here, but this is such an obvious trading range. I gotta try. It's too obviously a trading range. I gotta buy at the bottom of the previous pivot, major pivots. It's too obviously trading range day. All right, let's call it break even. At least I didn't lose a trade this time. At least I didn't lose a trade this time. That's a plus. We're getting better. We're getting closer to winning by not losing. Getting closer. Okay. Pushing down, pushing down lower. Makes a new low, perhaps. It's so obviously trading range day. You gotta trade it like it is. You gotta really trade it like it is. But this is quite a strong bear bar compared to everything else. This might be strong enough to tell us something's different. Making lower highs, fail to get to the top. Something may be different with this bar. Jeez Louise, I'm gonna push. What a push down. Should I do the crazy? Should I just do the crazy thing today? Should I just do the crazy? Should I do the crazy? Just I want to buy. Should I buy this bear bar? The bottom of the bear bar, should I buy it? There's just no way, right? There's no way people are buying this bear bar. It's too insane to think that people just buy this bear bar and they just did. My gosh. My goodness. Such a strong bear bar though. I don't know what to do. No, I just go short. I'm like traumatized. We've been trading range for so long. Look at this bear bar is insane. It's the biggest bar in the last like in the entire day yesterday. This one bar is bigger than all the bars. I don't know. First entry. Just scalp if I can. Can't even scalp out. Scalp out a little bit. Every new low, just keep scalping out. That was a second inch short right there. Jeez Louise. That's a second inch short. I was so certain we're gonna trading range because we are just it just showed trading range price action for so long. It's at a certain point in time, like we have to look at this and figure out when was it no longer a trading range? When was it no longer be like, all right, no longer trading is like a trading range, just get out. First entry, make a new low again. This is much stronger than you think. If it makes a new low here, it's much stronger than you think. This downtrend is still very strong. All right, first entries are still making bamboo. Well, first entry doesn't mean allowed to get to the first pullback. Doesn't even allow you to get you one pullback here. There's a pullback. We're gonna continue to go short here. I know it sounds crazy, but you gotta try. Big bear bar. Gonna scale in one time. Scale in once if we can, right to 20 MA. Short one more time if we get a second just short here. Second short. We're hoping new low. It's reversing on me. Made trap trade. Looking for new low possible. If possible. It's a big, 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 big if. Hold, hold, hold! He's gonna whipsaw me here. Take me out. Then go down again. I hate to see it, but I'm holding. Good signal bar. Every reason to look for a new low here. I don't think we're gonna get it. I think we're gonna get hit again. Back to the 20 MA. Be nice if we get that new low. Failing to really push down. It's starting to look like it's gonna fail. But we're still beneath the 20 MA, so I'm gonna hold this. Holding here. Still beneath the 20 MA clearly. It looks like it's gonna pop up and take me out. Still clearly beneath the 20 MA. Still beneath the 20 MA here. Showing bull bar here. You hate to see it. You hate to break above this bull bar. Yeah, there it is. You hate to see that, but what can you do, pandas? You gotta stick to your guns. I'm looking for that new low. I don't get it. It was showing such bearishness. I don't think I'm gonna hold much further than this. Yeah, we take the hit here. Jeez Louise, where are we right now? What's my threshold? Got my $1,000 threshold left. Second to short. Beautiful signal bar. Looking for that new low. Don't get it. Instead, it reverses in a weird, awkward spot, to be honest. I don't know. Don't know what to do here. We're going short still. Try to go short here. Try to go short here. Try to go short here. Try to come out. At least break even on the first trade. Can't do so. Lots of shenanigans still. Does take me out and then maybe push down. Might get to my here. Might start trading range here. Very difficult to tell what's gonna happen. Still losing like almost. I basically lost like every single trade today. Even trying to go with trend, going against trend, doing everything opposite. It's crazy. This is the market's doing everything opposite of what I'm thinking. I really thought we can get a new low here before this pop. We may get the new low now. I mean, I might as well trade these to ruin because might as well at this point. You know what I mean, Pandas? Might as well trade these to ruin, which sucks, but it is what it is. It looks like it's gonna probably get to the target where I want it to get to after it takes me out. Like you just gotta keep scaling in to go short here. It's just so crazy to do, in my opinion. Yeah, it looks like it's gonna make the new low now. Ah, the timing of this is very difficult for any trade right now. Timing is very difficult. Like you just need to trade micros or now. Jeez, what a push. Shall push down, shall push back up. Turn trading range here now. Very hard for me. You gotta love days like today, where like nothing works. Like you go with trend, nothing works. Against trend, nothing works. Big pushes, it kind of tricks you to jump in. They don't work, right? When you have that feeling of like, I gotta just get in here, you gotta just go in. And even though I'm doing that, it's like, man, too tough. It's too tough. It looks like it's gonna make the new low. Only after it stops me out, but I can't hold much more than that. Like I'm not like I just don't know like what yeah, maybe I should have scaled in one more time here. It's a new low. At least aiming for the new low now. Probably gonna push down pretty hard. Yeah, breaks down, continues this downtrend. Ah, takes me out. It just keeps stopping me out every single time. It just like it gets like it just gives me. I'm like one pivot too early. Like second to short to 20 minutes, one pivot too early here. This is crazy. Crazy, 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 crazy. Now it's like we made a new low. What do we do here now? Just wait. Gonna miss this whole trend. It's like, new low created. Maybe trading range trying to develop. I mean, obviously it looks kind of sus right now. 5 minutes starting to have a lot of overlap. Like when you see stuff like this, strong bear bar, no follow through, you know you're in trading range. I mean, with that being said, I gotta try to do this then. For trading range, I should be short here. Albert, I'm out. Thanks for joining. I mean, today is tough. Today is very tough. We're still clearly underneath the 20 mag. Maybe you continue to push down. I mean, trading range. For me, like I feel like it has to be trading range here now. We'll see. Feels like I get you short though. Goodness gracious. Feels like I get you short here? I don't know. It's tough. Alright, whatever. We'll see. We get a nice push up. We're gonna miss it, huh? Feels like I get you short. Push up hard. Very hard. Trading range to me is probably gonna develop here, in my opinion. I'm gonna try to take the first reversal down. Get rid of this trade. Sell high, buy low, sell high scalp. This current situation. Buy low, sell high scalp. Buy low, sell high scalp. Middle. That's what I'm thinking. Get to the middle at least. All right. Candace, I won my first trade. I won my first trade today. I mean, isn't that just a little bit to celebrate? A little bit of a celebration there. I won my first trade today. After losing $3,200. I won my first trade. Hey, that's all it takes though. Once you win your first, it's kind of like, it may snowball here. It may snowball. I already sold high and scalped, so I'm just gonna sit here. Pull back, new high. Yep. How long will this trading range last for? It's a question. Lower high here. Lower high. Okay, lower high, let's trigger. Second entry long here setting up. Okay, second entry long pops up. So it's hard for me to go short here again because we failed to get to the bottom of the trading range. So now it's like, are we gonna break out of this trading range? It's a second entry long, really. But again, in trading range, it's tough to take just like that. Like just like this one, I would love to take this second entry short. If it wasn't bouncing off the bottom of the trading range, I would definitely try. Trading range price action still sticking around though. Day like today, it's not a day you can even come back because it's just too much chop, not much opportunity. Like you're not gonna get a big swing. Like if you're gonna come back, it has to be like 20 scalps to get out of this hole. I think that's like too short here. Could pop up. Could be a big move up. I don't know. I mean, look at the 5 minute chart. Look at this monster bear bar. Like you're thinking like, all right, probably keep pushing on further. But when you get a bear bar like this and follow through, like it's just crazy. Crazy to think that. There's a gap here to fill. Obviously, he wants to try to fill it, in my opinion. Can't pop the trading range, come back to the bottom trading range now. Buy low, sell high, scalp. That's what they're doing. They're scalping. Or people scalped here, came back up. People scalped here, it's pushing back up. Big push down. Question is, do we continue this trading range? Just buy here. Okay. Or is this going to push down? Is this a small consolidation just to keep pushing down to fill the gap? The regular trading hours, the gap here, right? There's a big space with no price action, and we're trading into that space now, and with a strong bear bar entering into it. So there may be some credence to try to fill that gap. Lower high here in the middle of the trading range now is difficult. Interesting. When I say interesting, I mean like it's not interesting at all. $1,000 left on threshold here across my accounts. What a push up. Right, fails to reach the bottom training range and it's just pushing up very strong. Right, creating an expanding pattern, like higher highs, lower lows. Like hard to know that was gonna happen. Like, am I banking on this happening? Not really. I don't know, but it's happening. It is happening. Very strong up here. Very strong up here. Like it is retracing this huge bear bar. I mean, talk about trading range. This is what I'm saying. Like, if you're crazy enough, you can just keep going long here. Even if you break this low, you go keep going long, and you eventually will make some money just because you know today is a crazy trading range day. Trading range is huge sometimes. You gotta really have a huge stop loss in these like today. What a push up, pandas. I couldn't get a piece of it. No pullbacks, a small pullback bull trend. Just let it fly. Can't enter. Can't do anything here. Maybe you can just buy here. Buy the break of previous candles low. Maybe. Break at a previous candles high. It's gonna be sick. It's gonna be sick. Sick move. Trading range still happening here. Look for a little scalpy do if we can get one. Like 10 points, please. All I want is 10 points. All I want for Christmas. 10 points. This is not it. This is not the time. This is not the time just to go long anywhere, everywhere type situation. Or is it? When I got my 10 points, I would have gotten my 10 points, pandas. I would have easily gotten it. No. Okay, I didn't lose money at least. That's a plus. It's always a plus to not lose money, you know what I mean? It's always a small plus to not lose money. So close to the previous day's close here. I might as well just bought it. Just like free money. What a move. Like, seriously. One pullback in this whole sequence, you gotta just buy. But on a crazy day like today, big down, big up, what do you expect now? Big push here? Big push back down? Nobody knows. How would you know? Nobody knows. Light consolidation, but I don't know. Wouldn't it be crazy if it just reversed here? Should I just try? Should I be a little crazy today? Pandas, sorry about that. I'm gonna end the stream. Pandas, I hope you have an amazing, amazing, amazing rest of your day. It's gonna be a tough day today to trade, so just be careful. I'll see you guys bright and early on Thursday, maybe Friday. My schedule's gonna be a little hectic next couple days, but by next week we'll have it all settled in. So, Pandas, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. Just stay tuned. I'll tell you when I'm gonna be streaming next. Just watch it. Just follow the YouTube stream. So, I'll see you guys then. So, Pandas, as always. Have a drink of us. Bye.